Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix graphics card not detected in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Windows Start menu, type in System Configuration, and open it. Once it opens, make sure to select Normal Startup, click OK, and then choose Restart. This will reboot your system with the correct startup settings enabled. After your PC boots back into Windows, go to the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. At the top, click on your computer name, then select Action, and then click Scan for hardware changes. This allows Windows to redetect any missing or misconfigured drivers. Next, expand the Display Adapters section. You should see your graphics card listed there. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. This ensures Windows checks and installs the best available driver for your device. To be extra safe, it's recommended to install the official software for your graphics card. If you're using NVIDIA, download GeForce Experience. For AMD, download Adrenaline software, and for Intel, download Intel Graphics Command. Once installed, open the software, go to Drivers, and click on Check for Updates that will show here, and make sure you're running the latest driver version. After everything is updated, restart your computer one final time. Once your system boots back up, the problem should now be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix graphics card not detected in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.